Assalamualaikum and greetings to Mukhriz Abadi. My name is Mukhriz Abadi bin Muhamad Rezal and my student ID is 20236557 and 294. So the program I will be taking is CSC 270 and the course code is CSC 661, and today I will be presenting my individual project, which is the concept is a real-time share grocery list designed for households, and the name of the application is Groceryshare. So for my individual project, I'm using two advanced function or advanced technology, which is offline functionality. So offline functionality, basically the apps remains functional without internet, and the second one is real-time collaboration. It is an instant updates across multiple devices using Firestore streams. Now I will present to you about my application core function, and the first one is the multi-household. So at my grocery list page that at here line number 66 until 68, this is for create a household and show the generate 6-digit code, so that other users can use to join the household. And the next one is at line number 362. So this is for the real times item, which is it add an item on one device and watch it appear on another device instantly. The next one is for the authentication, which is at my outservice.dat. So this is for the register and login flow, which is I'm using Firebase. And the second and the last one is for profile sync, which is at my setting.dat. So as you can see here at line number 90, so I'm using this is to edit the user display name and see it update on the list item immediately. Next, we go to the advanced technology that I'm using in my individual project. The first one is offline functionality. We go to the main.dat. As you can see here, I'm using this is to implement the offline functionality. I first configure the Firestore settings in main.dat by setting persistence enable to true, so the app is instruct to use a local cache on the device storage. So I'm also set cache size bytes to unlimited to ensure that even large grocery list remains available offline indefinitely. Next, we go to the grocery list.apps. In the UI, I create the get sync status stream using the Cognitivity Plus package to detect network change. So when the user is offline, I'm using .metadata has pending rights to identify items that are only saved locally. As you can see in the app, I've add a visual waiting for sync indicator that trigger whenever the boolean is true. At line number 746. Next, we go to my second advanced technology that I use, which is real-time collaboration. In my grocery list page.dat, in the stream builder, so for real-time collaboration, I use Firestore streams in this dat, the stream builder. This create a live connection to the moment any member of the household adds or check off an item, Every other device on the same stream updates immediately without a manual refresh. So collaboration require user to be in the same group. In my setting dot at line number 143, so I developed a system to generate a random 6-digit invite code. Next we go to the register page dot at line number 62. So what exactly this code do? So when user can enter this code which link their account to a specific household ID in Firestore. This ID ensures that all members are hooked into the same real-time data stream. So now I will show a demo about my application on how offline functionality and real-time collaboration been implemented into my individual project. First, the user have to register. So in the register page, user can either enter the 6-digit invite code immediately or later in the application. So in here, user has to create a household. Here it will immediately display the 6-digit code, and it will appear in the main page. So let's say the user want to add an item. So to test the offline functionality, whether it's work or not, at here I will close the mobile data internet. So as you can see here, after I close the mobile data, it has an orange indicator to acknowledge the user that their application are in offline mode. So if user check the item, it also will acknowledge the user with text which is waiting for sync. So when I open the mobile data internet, now as you can see, when the application have mobile data internet, it will go back to online mode, which has the blue indicator, and the item that the user ticked earlier has been saved in the database. Now to test my second advanced technology, which is real-time collaboration, whether it's working on my application or not. First, a new user have to create an account. So now I will be try to join the household that have been created earlier from another account. Now as you can see here, it's appear the household that other account has been created. So I will try to add an item, and later I will try to check in the other accounts whether the item has been saved in the database or not. Now to check whether it syncs with other account, I will log out this account and log in with the first account that I use. Now as you can see here, with the first account I use, it also appear what the second account check or add item in the household. So we can check the box, and it will also update the item from the second account. Here we also can edit item or swipe to delete it. Now is for the my application strength. What I think is the first one is optimistic UI, which is the app doesn't wait for the server to update the list. It updates the UI immediately, which means the local first and make it feel incredibly fast. And the next one is granular sync indicator, so that user are left guessing. The sync or offline status bar provide a clear feedback. And the last one is atomic updates using field value array union for household ensures that multiple user joining at once don't override each other's data. Next we go to the my application weakness. So the conflict resolution, currently if two users edit the same item name while offline then reconnect, the last write wins. A more advanced version would use transaction. And the next weakness I think is there is no admin roles. So anyone in a household can delete the entire household or remove item. So there is no permission hierarchy yet. I think that's all from me. Thank you.